You know what? You might be unintentionally using your computer wrong. Yes, you heard me right. You won't believe me until you see this video. So let's see the most common ways you are using your computer wrong. Not reading the installation options. When we install a new software, one thing that most of us do wrong is we don't read any of the actual options and checkboxes. We just click next through everything, assuming that we need to have everything checked to install the program. Sometimes you are required to check a box to accept some terms of a service, but many times they will also include some other bloatwares. So make sure you read every prompt before agreeing when you go to install something next time. Not backing up data. One of the biggest mistakes anyone can make is not backing up important data continuously. Backing up data is important because it serves as a safety net in case anything goes wrong with the system. It also provides a way to recover data that has been lost or corrupted. You should always back up your data on your computer. There are a number of ways to do this, but the most common is by using external hard drives. You can also use a cloud-based backup service. Reusing passwords. Reusing password is one of the worst things you can do because some websites steal the password database. Then what the hackers do is that they literally sell or buy these stolen databases. These same password combinations are then used to try to log into other major sites. So if you use the same username and password or the same email and password on other accounts, then you just need to change this practice. It is very important to use unique passwords on every website. Restarting incorrectly. If you really use the shutdown command to start the system back on, it doesn't actually reboot completely the way it probably is. Because the quick launch feature made by Windows will do more of the hibernate type, when it will save much of the running processes and things from memory and put it on the hard drive. When the computer is restarting after shutdown, it actually restores many of these same processes so that it doesn't take that long to restart everything. So the next time when you restart your computer, go to the start menu and then reboot because that will wipe everything out of memory. Using an out of support operating system. If you're still using an older version of operating system such as Windows XP and Windows 7, this is a huge risk to your computer because there are many vulnerabilities in these older versions that hackers can exploit to steal data. The reason being is that in early 2020, Windows 7 ran out of support and Microsoft no longer offers security updates to Windows 7. This is why an old operating system is more vulnerable. So you need to update your operating system to the latest version and stop using old ones for security purposes. So that's it. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, like the video and subscribe to our channel.